How to remove payment methods on Flight Club. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can remove payment method on Flight Club. And here is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your Flight Club account just like I have done here. And then once you are logged in, you'll be brought to your own page automatically. And on this page, you'll see the different sneakers that you can get on Flight Club. And by the right side of the screen, you can see other options as well. So in order for you to remove a payment method, it means that you must have added a payment method during checkout, during paying for a particular item on Flight Club. And to remove it, move to the top right corner, click on your amount, your account tab, and click on my account in the drop down menu that was displayed. And so after clicking on that, and you're brought to your accounts page. On this page, you would see payments, all right, and then you'll see all of your payments method here. So once you can see your payments method here, just move to the right side, click on the more option button, and then you'll see the option remove. All right, or you can see a trash icon, whichever one, just click on it, and then after doing that, that particular payment method would be removed and deleted, just like that. And then another way is by removing a payment method through getting a particular sneaker or an item. So after logging into your account and you've selected the item that you would like to get, and you're brought to the details page, move to the right side of the screen, scroll down and click on the icon, then click on checkout. Then once you're brought to the checkout page, on this page, scroll down, you'll see payment method. All right. Now, after making payments with a particular payment method, the card would have been added, so or the payment method would have been added. So you will also see the option for you to change or remove it here. So just go ahead, do that, and you'll be able to remove that payment method. So this is how to go about it. Thank you for watching, and ensure you subscribe and leave a thumbs up for this video. Have a good day.